Today we're at the salon and I wanted to do a quick little video because this is such a cute design to do at the salon, and it's easy and it doesn't take much effort, but it looks so beautiful. The tortoise design that I'm going to be teaching how to do today. Don't mind this hand. This is my non-dominant hand. She's a little sketchy, but we're going to be doing it obviously on my dominant side, I guess. So this is what they're looking like right now, and that's just with the acrylic on. And let's get into this design. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this color and do one coat of that. Don't mind my work phone. And okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a little bit of blooming gel. This one is the one from Dev's Nails, I believe. I'm just gonna I'm gonna do one coat of that, and now this is where the magic happens. I personally like to take a really big dotting tool because the more you blob this on, the more I feel like it spreads. So I'm gonna take this dark color from, which is 138 from Valentino, and get a nice healthy amount. So I'm literally like doing one of these, and then I'm gonna press that on and make little random figures. This is more of like an artistic sort of thing, so you don't want it to be too perfect. I'm gonna wipe that off before I go back into the polish so I don't ruin the polish. You don't want any of that blooming gel inside of your product. And again, just randomly putting it. And now you're gonna want to let this sit just for a couple seconds so it can completely spread. You can already see it's starting to become like tortoisely like. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of black and just pop that on in like random areas. You can do the center. Just gonna let this sit for a little bit. Oh my god, I did not do that. Wow. Good thing this is more of an artistic thing. Let me wipe that down. I feel like that one just looks a little too clean, so I can actually take a little bit of the blooming gel on the dotting tool, and I'm gonna literally go on top of it. That smudged it out just a little. Okay, it looks like this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. So you definitely could just stop right here, but I like to encapsulate it. Let's see what this would actually look like. And I'm gonna go ahead and encapsulate it with this other color, which is just like translucent. It's gonna deepen everything up. You could definitely just layer it with that first color if you wanted to, but I did that last set, so I don't want to copy it, or I don't want to repeat it. So that's what it looks like. It might actually vary between the two. So this is tortoise, but a little deeper. Let me actually show you what it would look like if I would just layer the other one. It's the great part of this. And then and that's what it looks like. I actually think I prefer this. I didn't want to have to repeat, but some nail sets are just so good you have to. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead. I actually decided to do this in a French, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what that would look like. Into pretty high French. Just gonna take a little brush and clean up that little swivel on that. And that is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. Now we're gonna jump in to the blooming gel. You wanna line this up more or less of where the previous color is. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the other fingers. Oh my God. Alrighty, and then taking the dotting tool and going in with the dark brown, picking up some product. I like to start with the biggest ones just because I know where that's gonna go, and then you can work onto the smaller ones. And don't forget to clean your dotting tool in between each use. If not, you could possibly damage the polish. Do the biggest one down here since we have the biggest one over there. This is such a great design, especially for in salon use, because it's so pretty. It's so classy and like timeless. Like, this gives Franny the nanny, and I love it. And then I'm gonna go in and add the little bits of black. And you definitely want to like kind of go up in the French. Just gonna give it a cute look. This one I'm not letting spread too much. Cute. They look like press-on nails. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, and these are the final results. I still have to do this hand, but haven't gotten around to it just yet. But it's super quick, easy. They look elegant. They look so cute. Oh my God. Our like worst nemesis is literally dust. But they're super cute. They're super elegant. I love these. They're so easy to do. They're very artistic, so it's very hard to mess it up, especially when you're working in a fast-paced environment. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe so I can continue doing some more videos like this.